So in the puja vidhi, and the rules of puja, if one is worshipping Shalagram or Krishna, or Murti form of Krishna, that before one does the paricharya seva, or external seva, he must do manasi seva. So in the mind, one bathes the Lord and dresses Bhagavan and offers bhog and arti, all in the mind. And when one is doing the mental puja, before the external puja with the hands and senses, then it can be very, very elaborate. You can offer chapan bhog in the mind, but externally you're offering a piece of mystery because you're a Madhukari Baba. You're a Madhukari Baba, and sometimes you get a little mystery in donation, a roti, a little rock candy. So you put one Tulsi Patra, Radhakund Jal, Ganga Jal, whatever, chant Gopal Mantra, and of course they worship Shalagram as Bhagavan, Shamsundar, Damodar, Radharaman.